Hey peeps, so I'm currently doing my makeup because meron akong class ng 11:30 and it's currently what? 8:30 p.m. advance pa to. Agad ako mag-prepare, no? Because mahirap mali. And kailangan maagad ng school because of parking problems. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm done preparing. Nakaganda lang yung hair ko because I decided not to plancha it today. So nag-curly girl method ako. And it's already 9:30, mga 10 siguro kami alas 10:30, something like that. So I'm gonna update you later pag nakalis na kami. So nasa bahay pa rin ako, hindi pa rin kami nakakaalis, but it's 9:45 lang naman. Worried lang ako kasi baka wala kaming maparkingan sa school because Monday pa naman ngayon. And I'm just going to double check our PPT na kinulam ko kagabi. Like, alas 3 na ako nakatulog. And hindi pa akong makatulog because of this coffee. It's from Lisange. Ang tapang niya. Pero it was so good kasi may cinnamon. I love coffee with cinnamon. And nakakaloka nga kasi yung pitch namin today is about tsaa. Like, ba't patabingi yung salamin ko? It's about tea. Parang, ang tawag dito? We will convince or persuade young adults to switch from coffee to tea. Well, ako naman, nagti-tea ako and nagko-coffee. But, mostly, coffee. Ewan ko. Dahil siguro, medyo matamis siya. Pero nung nag-workout ako noon, I always drink tea. And lately then, I've been drinking tea because meron ako mga stock ng tea. Pero malakas rin ang coffee ng tea ha, lalo na pag black tea yung ininom mo. Hindi kayo nakakatulog. But anyways, napapakita ko sa inyo yung PPT ko. PPT na ginawa ko kasi I'm so proud of it. Well, hindi naman siya ganun kabonggang ganda though. But first time ko lang siyang gawin and nawin lang ako. Na parang, wow, ganda pala. So, I'll show you. It's the PPT. Oh my god, look at that transition. Whoops. See? Oh my god, pinaghirapan ko to. So much. Yan. And then, wala na akong pa-thank you kasi tinamad na ako. I don't know if I should add a thank you slide, but kasi maggagawa na naman ako ng transition nito and sige, I'll try. I'm also worried din kasi may inisip ako because meron kami dapat pakulo, okay, in the beginning or like before the pitch, before the presentation itself. Parang magbibigay kami ng tea and then I brought my humidifier para, ano yun, para may peppermint scent. And then we're gonna play a relaxing or calming music. Parang mga narinig nyo sa spa, ganun siyang type. Parang magkaroon ng mood and like mood ng mood na calming and relaxing, but then wala yung tea. Eh yun pa naman yung problema. I mean, yun yung pinaka-importante. Like, bumili ako nun for like sa Tsaa-Alaya talaga. I mean, sa Shopee na Tsaa-Alaya talaga yung mismo product na pinipitch namin. And today siya, it's out for delivery today. Pero hindi ko alam kung naabot ba siya before kami makapasok sa school or before kami umalis. So, hopefully makahabol. And, need ko pa yun parang i-brew. And hindi ko lang alam kung aabot yun sa lahat ng student. Like, makakapagbigay pa kami sa lahat ng classmates namin. Because I'll probably gonna put it on my Starbucks tumbler na metal. Kasi maliit lang yun. So, I don't know. Ngayon ko siya pinoproblema. And si ate girl nag-TikTok muna kakanina. Hindi ka ba dapat i-gawin? Hindi ka ba dapat mag-prepare? Though, I'm not a presenter naman. Pero still, yung ganung pakulo is from my idea. I'm check 10:05 na and on the way na kami sa school. Hey guys, so nasundo na namin si Nix and nag-ipit lang ako ng ganito because walang volume yung hair ko. Hey guys, so nakapark na kami and it took us how many minutes? Ilang minutes, boss? Medyo matagal. Yun yung problema ngayon ng Dasma. Lang Lasal Broken. Sobrang lacking ng parking. So, lagi kaming early ng 1 hour before class. Nagkakad na kami papuntang
CPA building because doon kami nag-park.
Okay guys, so this is the plate check.
Pa-event pala here and then dito yung room namin.
So, ibig sabihin na kapag naisip ng mga Pilipino yung tea, ang maiisip, ang unang papasok sa isip nila is siya alala. And also, firstly, is to foster collaborations, daily ritual, because we all know na hindi talaga biro magkaroon. May mga Filipinos na hindi nakapagsalita, kaya using our campaign, using our movement, we...
Hey guys, so tapos na kami mag-present and may lang kami minor revision na nagawin pero everything is all good. So we're doing the revision right now. Every
So sa afternoon agendas naman, we will have a...
In terms of execution, you need to specify the tonality. So kung ang tonality ng campaign mo, babalik ka sa campaign title mo, gamitin natin yung campaign title nila Michelle, which is
Alaya on the move.
Okay? On the move. So from the campaign title, you have to brainstorm about this. What words would elicit movement?
Stretching.
Diba? Yun yung pag-iisipan mo ngayon ng words.
Hey guys, so class is done and break time ngayon. Nandito ko sa YT channel. Oo, oh my God, ganun ka na. Nakikita mo ba? Oo, pinapanood ko yun. Ito kami magka-coffee sa Sayat Building because meron dyang coffee shop sa loob. Hope natanggap sila ng ano ba yun? Yung QR ng Atome. Kasi kung wala nga abutan yung 50 pesos ko dito kasi everything is pricey. Sino? Ako ba? So, ito yung cafe. Oh my God! So, ito yung cafe, guys. Kasi ang daming people. Baka may maupuan. So, baka mga food square kami or other cafes sa labas. Ito na kinaya yung paglugay, guys. Kaya, nagtali na ako. It's so hot. Parusa tong business attire, na formal business attire, every like, first Monday of the month. Tapos ang init dito. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi nga ako nabulok. Ay! Mukha akong sopa. Hindi na kaya. So, sobrang init. Lahat kami nag-share. And utang pa to. Wala sa akong data, guys. So, may ako i-pay.
Tapos ngayon, i-deliver pa lang.
Okay, so pabalik na kami sa class. And 5 minutes left. Actually, yung class namin is 2:30 minutes and 2:25 na. Oh my God, naambon! Shucks! Guys, di kami makadaan. Hoy, huwag ka magmura. Palagi na lang ako nag-aano sa'yo. Yung ano, ang tawag doon? We're like stranded talaga. Hindi sapat yung payo ko. Kasi, rin silang rain yun. So, baka ending mabasa rin ako. So, no use. Naalala ko. Oh my God, guys. We did it. We did it. We did it. Kain namin ang pag guys, baha. Neklat na hill. Go! Go! So, basa na yung ano namin. Pinanglusog namin sa baha yung mga heels namin, guys. Okay, so nasa next class na kami. And kahit basa, tuloy pa rin ang class. Because last class tayo naman dito. Wala pa
Tama, oo. Kailangan yan. Masarap yun pag may index. Diba? And number 8, special kiosk, small goods in ECT and transportation. Guys, it's a check.
Yung ano,
Basketball, pwede? Magkakaroon ka ng kiosk. Siguro hindi naman ganun yung
puro na ako.
sa kiosks.
So, doon na yung class namin. Just got the keys. Kasi may class pa si Rob and i-wait na lang namin siya sa car namin until 5:30. So, yeah! Namuntikan pa namin makalimutan yung payong namin. Nakabalanda lang sa labas ng hall since pinapatiwangan namin siya. How's your day? Bali na ba sa rin pala kami kanina? Oh my God! Yung video! Na kay Mitch! Send. Yeah. Guys, shucks. Ganyan yung parking namin dito. Saan? Ah, ito nga oh. So, ayun, hinalakaran ko. And namin pala, I mean. Pero malas kasi ako naka-heels. Fuck, guys. Wala bang pang pasemento? Hey guys, so dito kami sa SM right now and kakain kami ngayon sa Roy Deluxe because we're craving for dinuguan and dapat mang inasado, ang daming tao. So, dito muna. So hungry. Wala pa akong kinain, like gising pa lang. Here's our food, dinuguan with bagnet chips, and then may barbecue siya, and then also that. And then some food rolls. Parang hindi ganun kaitim ngayon yung ano nila. Yung buwan.
Ganda lang yung kulay niya na.
Tignan mo, detachable yung mas may mini. Hindi ko lang tinanong. Okay, so I'm finally home. It's 9:40 p.m. and ang tagal ko nakapag-update kasi may ginawa kaming wirings ni partner. So, before I end the vlog, I'm just gonna give you a little haul ng binili ko sa SM. Nag-SM kami. So, I'll show you. So, I got 2 things. I mean, actually 3 items to, but one from SM Dep and one from Game One. So, first is I got 2 sandals. This is buy one take one. So, it's a steal na. Cause, suot ko kanina is heels. And every time na merong, tawag dito, merong kaming business formal attire, we need to wear formal shoes. And wala ko masyadong flats. Ang flats ko lang is from Astrid, yung red. And medyo parang pabalay rin yon. So, nagka-crumpled yung mga toes ko and masakit siya. So, I got this. And siya glossy siya na may bow. And it's really pretty. Ayan siya. May detail siyang ganyan. And maganda to since hindi lang siya pang school. Pwede ko rin siyang pang forma. So, ayan. It's 600 for 2 pairs. So, this is the other pair naman. It's brown and it's suede. Oh my God! Bagay siya sa bag ko, you guys. Ang ganda! I need an outfit for this. Like, it's so pretty. And it's really malambot, ha? So, I got those. Marami na akong shoes. And hindi na ako mag-heel. Sobrang sakit talaga. And nakita niyo naman yung place namin, diba? Like, yung university namin. Sobrang it's not giving. So, next is, bumili ako ng SD card for my Digicam because corrupt na yung SD card ko. Pati pa naman yung SD card ko corrupt. So, I don't know actually if it will work. So, let's see. Pakita ko na rin sa inyo. So, this is my Digicam. Sobrang, hindi ka naman na masira. This is really vintage na. For me, it's really vintage because sa mom ko pa ito yung hand-me-down niya. So, yeah. So, this is the SD card. Pero kasi, may tinatanggal. Oh no. Oh no. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Wait. So, medyo nagpanic ako kasi sayang to. Nasa 380 din to. Almost 400. Ito kasi, hindi siya natatanggalin ng parang ganito. Ayan. Eh, ang binili ko is itong mismong chip lang. And I hope babasahin ng camera. So, we'll see. So guys, good news. It worked. Ayan. Meron akong first picture from the SD card. And buti na lang nag-work siya. Because ayoko mag-send ng money. So that's it for today. Guys, I hope... Oh my god, yung ako. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. And it's really been hectic for me. Or parang dami lang ganap na may presentation na ulanan, nilamig, ang daming agenda. But I'm happy because it was a really productive day. So, yun lang. Bye. See you in my next vlog.